In this video, we want to prove the following. For any two real numbers, x and y, if x times y is irrational, then at least one of x or y must be irrational. So we can write this in logical terms. So if x and y is all reals, not including rational numbers, so this is, in other words, saying irrational, then either x is not a rational number or y is not a rational number. So we're going to prove this by contradiction. We're going to assume the opposite, that both x and y are rational, but the product x and y is irrational. So let's start off with x and y. They're rational numbers, so that we can write them as a fraction of two integers where the denominator is not equal to 0. And so if x is a over b, y is c over d, if I multiply x times y, I get ac over bd. And so ac is an integer, bd is also an integer, non-zero integer. It follows that x times y has to be a rational number. But this contradicts the assumption that the product x and y is irrational. So we conclude that at least one of x or y must be irrational whenever x times y is irrational. And so that completes the proof.